Hello guys, so welcome to another video. So recently I working with electrician service, and this account is too newbie, so that's why I start and with some specific things and which is working for him, because it's a Google Ads account is too newbie and there is a no data, no previous data, so that's why Google is no not cannot be optimize your ads for proper optimization. Good value, better client. Okay, so that's why I ready a checklist for him. I give his suggestions that if he is follow this, he will definitely get some conversion. When he gets some conversion, then we scale. So I ready a checklist, so go ahead, go then. So I ready a checklist that he's doing a service. Google Ads account is too new, so that's why I suggest him on uh, specific niche, specific things. Start with simples, then getting some conversion, then scale. So that's why I yeah, give her suggestion that you need to be start with some high intent, which is popular, which is too much demandables in your area. Okay, so that's why I give him a suggestion that's emergency electrician 24/7, electrical repair, troubleshoot, breaker box. Depends on her project, depend on her service providing. He is I recommend him that you need to start with some emergency service, emergency or which is demandables in your location, because you are not providing service worldwide. So at first you need to start with some data. You get some data, then you can scale it. Okay, so that is the strategy. So when we get if I search 24 by electrician service, why I tell this 24 by electrician service. So if I search service in USA, because we are from Bangladesh, so that's why no ad showing. Okay, so you can see 24 by electrician service, and that is two demandables. Okay, emergency electrician service, that is too demandable, because people are searching 24 and they are searching emergency, they are instant looking for the service. Okay, so that's why every business owner who is have a Google Ads account newbie where is no data. Okay, so data, why I tells every times data, because if your Google Ads account have no data, then your Google Ads account just performing like don't analyze, and they are just spending money. Okay, so that's why we need to start with some specific things, then we get some data, then we scale. Okay, so second option is that the core keywords. Okay, the core keywords mean we already analyze the demand. Which is in your area, which survey location you are providing service in your area, which service is too demandables, then we analyze this which is too demandables, and we find that emergency 24 by electrician service is too demandable, so that's why I suggest him. And then in 24 by electrician service there is a subcategory keywords. Okay, so that's why I suggest him some keywords that emergency electricians. Some people search emergency people, emergency electrician in USA. Okay, they are searched nearby, so you can see able to see some result. So that's how people searching. Okay, so that's why I suggest him to start with a specific niche, a specific service which is demandables in your area, and start with some specific keywords. Okay, and we must add this keyword as a exact format. Okay, exact match keyword. So third things I suggest him that in your locations we never provide service in worldwide, because that is your emergency electrician service, or emergency electrician or electrical service you are providing in certain and in a specific area, not worldwide. So that's why I suggest him that's which locations you are providing service, and that is too performing well and demandable. Okay, so that's why in location wise when he research that that's this locations I am searching, I won't search here, that's this locations is two demandables, emergency electricians, fuse, box change, I mean wiring, rewiring. So that's why I suggest him to location wise which is demandables, and I suggest him to you should go with this. Okay, so next thing is that I suggest him measure before scaling, because he don't have any data. Okay, so I suggest him to analyze. I check her Google Ads account, everything I created for him, Google Ads account tag manager. So I suggest him that your Google Ads account first need to conversion tracking, ensure that it is providing good, I mean better tracking. Okay, I mean no duplications, no mismatch. So that is the reason that you must start with this step. So that is the things I suggest my newbie client. So if you also working for, and if you are a business owner, you are never run Google Ads campaign before, so these things, this type of strategy you should be follow. Start with on a specific niche, and then you get some conversion, get some data, 30 to 50 conversion, then you can scale. So that is the topic of the video. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. So let's see in next video. Till now, take care of your health. Bye bye.